For this video, I will be doing a voiceover so I can share my experience, information, and tips while I show you snippets of what you will be able to see at the largest IKEA store in the world. We visited on November 25 during the official opening day. Dumating kami ng 9:30 AM at mahaba ang pila. We grabbed an introductory brochure to read as we wait. In fairness kay IKEA, pinapasok naman agad ang lahat ng shoppers on time. And since it's the first day, merong welcome greetings from the employees at merong energizing beats. We were directed to the showroom right away, which was located at the top level, and were given shopping bags. Kapag hindi mo alam kung anong bibilhin at gusto mo ng pegs para sa tirahan mo, mag-ikot-ikot ka rito. You can view, sit, touch, and hold the assembled IKEA furniture and other IKEA items. If you liked what you see, check the price tag to see the color, material, size, and other useful information. And if you've decided to buy it, take a photo of the tag, including the red or yellow tag, to know where you can specifically get the item. Diyan sa red or yellow tag, malalaman mo kung kailangan mo bang kunin sa market hall, self-serve area, o kung kailangan mong i-contact yung staff. Anyway, the chapters on this video are divided depending on the area of the IKEA store, so you can just click what interests you the most. Guys, hindi available yung kitchen cabinetry sa self-serve area. Kapag bibili kayo ng kitchen cabinetry, kailangan yung i-design muna yon either online or pwede rin kayong gumamit ng mga computer doon sa kitchen section kung saan meron din doon mga kitchen planner staff na pwede kayong tulungan.
Have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna meet.
After going around for 50 minutes in the showroom area, my husband suggested that we eat lunch early at the IKEA restaurant to avoid long lines. Buti na lang kasi ang haba na pala nung pila. Balita ko yung iba nag-book ng shopping slot sa IKEA para lang kumain at napansin rin namin na marami sa mga shoppers ay foreigners at mga Pilipino na tumira sa abroad. Nalaman namin kasi medyo maraming nagsa-small talk dahil mahina ang mobile signal at kahit merang free wifi sa store, mabagal ang internet. Tatlo ang pila pero inabot kami ng halos 1 oras bago naka-order. The restaurant is cafeteria style, so I loaded the cart with trays and utensils. Only get a goblet if you're ordering drinks. For some food items and drinks, we can just grab plates, but for their other dishes, IKEA stewards would scoop food to the plate upon order. Marami-rami kaming in-order na food kasi, minsan lang naman, at para hindi rin kami magutom sa kakaikot. Prepare your IKEA family card to earn points. Hindi na nasabi sa amin ni ate kasi siguro ngarag na rin siya sa dami ng tao. Dahil sa haba ng pila, lalamig talaga ang pagkain. Buti na lang meron silang family station kung saan pwede naming initin yung pagkain. For their mushroom soup, you can really taste the mushroom and there are a lot of mushroom bits. Must try ang marinated salmon nila. Squeeze lemon juice on top, then spread some of the sweet yet savory mustard and dill sauce. Yung french fries nila, isang size lang. Pero good for sharing at mas malaki pa serving kesa sa large size ng Jollibee at McDo at a more affordable price. Yung plant balls, hindi nagkakalayo yung lasa sa meatball. We also ordered a crunchy almond cake for our dessert. Nung kinain namin to, ang naisip namin choco mucho. Lasang-lasa kasi yung caramel at chunky siya. For the drinks, I got Arla strawberry milk kasi favorite ko ang Arla at yung husband ko nag-try ng iba't ibang sparkling drinks nila kasi napansin namin na nagre-refill yung iba. Yung flavor subtle kasi sobrang lakas o tapang ng burn ng fizz. 1 glass is really enough. Last and definitely the best, in-order ko ang sikat na Swedish meatballs plate. Ang lambot, juicy at savory ng meatballs. I read online somewhere that when you eat the meatball, you're supposed to cut it in half, dip it in mashed potato, then dip it in lingonberry sauce. So it is savory sweet when you eat it. It's honestly my first time to try lingonberry and its taste made me think of cranberries. There is a berry flavor that is slightly sweet. Everything in the dish works well. By the way, make sure to order water or bring a tumbler with water. Yung free water nila is sparkling water. After you eat, clean as you go and leave your tray at their designated area. Paglabas namin sa restaurant, napansin namin na yung pila ay lagpas na ng showroom. I think aabot na ng 2 hours yung iba bago pa makakain. We returned to exploring the place and by 2:39 p.m., nasa wardrobe and storage area pa lang kami ng showroom. Follow the arrows on the floor so you don't get lost. And if you want to find the items on your shopping list faster, just go to a service kiosk which you can find at the entrance and around the store. Nung pumunta na kami sa Market Hall located at the 3rd floor, the Market Hall is where you will find IKEA decor accessories, utensils, textiles, and etc. Sobrang daming tao sa below 100 peso section with 500 products to choose from. Pati na rin sa tableware and cook shop section kasi maraming namimili ng pangregalo. Marami sana akong balak bilhin dito kaso ang hirap mag-navigate dahil lahat may shopping cart. At hindi maiwasan na magkadikitan kayo dahil sumikip na. We just went around other sections to get the items we need. The self-serve furniture area, we looked for the items that we checked in the showrooms. We used the photos that we took as references for the rack and section area of the items we are buying. Mapapa-exercise ka kung mabigat yung bibilhin mo. Before you go to the checkout area, you can also drop by the circular hub where you will find everything from ex-display product, discontinued furniture, to second-hand IKEA products. If you buy furniture here, not only do you save more money, but you also help reduce waste. Kung hindi lang talaga sobrang haba na pila, bibili rin ako rito lalo na ng mga throw blankets at more rugs. Yung sa checkout area, intense talaga yung pila kapag marami kang pinamili. Estimate ko minimum 2 hours. If you purchase 10 items or less, I suggest you go to the checkout area instead. Hinati namin pinamili namin para doon kami makapila, so it just took us 30 minutes. After checkout, on the right side, you'll see the area for exchanges and returns, merchandise pickup, and home delivery. Sa center, makikita mo ang Swedish food market. Merong 2 pila para sa Swedish Bistro. Pwede kang bumili ng snacks doon at ng 10 pesos vanilla soft serve ice cream sa kanilang vending machine. How I wish lang na may separate silang counter para sa ice cream vending machine. Finally, we went out of the store and it's great that IKEA has a parking space for loading the items. Meron ding kuya na tumutulong magbuhat ng mga pinamili. We just got back from the largest IKEA or IKEA store in the world. At mapapansin nyo, sa aking background, ginabi na talaga kami. Pumasok kami doon ng 10 a.m. which is the earliest shopping slot. And inabot kami ng gabi kasi ganun siya kalaki. And siguro nakadagdag na rin yung haba parati ng pila na we have to go through kasi ang daming tao dahil nga opening day. I wanted to go there on the opening day para makagawa ng video, mabigyan kayo ng idea. Pag pupunta kayo doon, hindi kayo ma-overwhelm, makapagplano kayo, makagawa kayo ng shopping list. And also, paalala ko pala guys, hindi kayo pwedeng pumunta doon ng walk-in. You have to book your slot. Sabi nga nila, no booking, no shopping. And this is not a sponsored video. I really want to do this video just to help you guys. So please do give this video a like to support me. And please let me know your comments in the comment section below kung ano yung feedback nyo sa video na to. And let me know also ano yung mga nasa wishlist nyo, ano yung mga nagustuhan yung items, or kung meron kayong mga masasuggest na items sa akin, para sa susunod na visit ko sa IKEA, mabili ko yung mga items na yon. And I want to share with you that I will be having another video where I will do an unboxing and I will share my haul with you. For you not to miss that video, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I have new videos. Actually, pagod na talaga ako. Gusto ko na magpahinga. And at the same time, ang dami ko pa rin assignments. Sa klase, ang dami ko pa rin work. Hindi ko pa nare-replyan yung clients ko. Sorry po. Yeah, that's it, guys. Again, I'm Ann Clemente, licensed real estate broker and a content creator based in the Philippines. And thank you for watching Own Property PH.